this review, we will be discussing in detail about the best tactical jackets available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market, so whether you need best tactical jacket, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Tactical Jacket. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Free Soldier Men's Military Tactical Jacket. Very comfortable. Dintex soft shell fabric. High-tech water-resistant fabric. Warm fleece interior lining. Provides good insulation. Ideal for spring, autumn, and early winter. Solid zippers have cloth protection. Ventilation system under the arms. Collar has a hat-style brim and a drawstring. Adjustable cuff Velcro. Large back pockets don't look baggy. Reinforced elbows. Large breast pockets. Zipper pockets on the arms. Velcro patch. Available in 5 sizes. Comes in a variety of colors. Number 4. Rothco Special Ops Soft Shell Jacket. Concealed, detachable hood, wind and rain resistance. Fleece, lined collar. Waterproof shell, hook and loop, elastic drawstring, zipper closure, versatile soft shell, tactical jacket with waterproof polyester outer shell. 3-layer construction deflects wind, wicks away moisture, and retains heat. 6+ versatile zippered pockets for storing essential gear. Fleece lined at stand-up collar with concealed removable hood. Number 3. Tak Vasen Men's Military Tactical Soft Jacket. High quality, great value for money, very affordable price, durable polyester outer shell fabric construction, very good wind and water resistance, soft thermal fleece, light wood and breathable, concealed hood, fleece lined stand-up collar, multiple zippered pockets, vent zipper under each arm, Velcro patch on each shoulder, drawstring waist, elastic hook and loop adjustable, waist cuffs, machine washable 6 stylish colors. Number 2. Antarctica Men's Military Tactical Jacket. Dintex soft shell fabric plus 8000 mm fleece lining. Breathable water repellent fabric and waterproof polyester sheath, moisture protection and wind protection. When fully closed, lightning hides in the garage. 6 pockets with zippers. 2 zippers at hand for better ventilation when it's hot. Hood with 3D frame and visor for better stability. Hiding in the collar. Adjustable cuffs on the sleeves and around the waist to help keep you warm. Comfortable with temperature differences. 6 sizes and 7 types of coloring. Number 1. McCausland Men's Hooded Tactical Jacket. Great quality, very good value for money, affordable price, high performance, shark skin soft shell fabric, super cozy inner thermal fleece liner, waterproof, windproof, and breathable, drawstring waist. Detachable hood can be concealed in the collar. Hood has a very good water shedding abilities. Vent zipper gusseted underarms. 2 high chest pockets, 2 sleeve pockets, 2 large zipper back pockets, forearm pocket, 2 hook and loop tapes.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.